Hey guys, my name is Siswono. I'm from the class of 12 MIPA 3. Today I'm gonna talk about explanation text. So without further ado, let's get into it. Have you ever wondered about how the rain is formed? Or what causes a tornado? Or why does rainbow appear after raining? Or maybe how is the process of chameleon changes its color to camouflage? Well, the answer or explanation of these questions is called an explanation text. So, what exactly is explanation text? Explanation text is simply a text to explain. The thing that is being explained is the process of why and how of the forming of the phenomena. The phenomena in this context can be two phenomena. The first is natural phenomenon, such as snow, eclipse, thunder, aurora, erosion, etc. The second is social phenomenon, such as racism, fashion, discrimination, crime, etc. The next is the social function or communicative purpose of explanation text, which is to explain the reason of how and why something happened. In the text, those reasons are being elaborated further and more in depth, such as the processes involved in the formation or working of natural and socio-cultural phenomena. To make an explanation text, you need to understand the generic structure of the text. There are three main parts of the generic structure. Number one is general statement. The general statement stating the phenomenon issues which are to be explained. Number two is sequence explanation. The sequence explanation stating a series of steps which explain the phenomena. Number three is concluding statement, in which we're closing the explanation. The concluding statement is optional. The next thing is language features in explanation text. First is focus on generic human and generic non-human participants. Second is using simple present tense. Third is using action verb such as read, fall, clean, etc. Fourth is using technical terms such as society, CPU, email, etc. Fifth is using passive voice patterns. Sixth is using words that show cause and effect, such as because, when, due to, so, since, etc. Seventh is using conjunction of time, such as want, before, until, since, when, after, as soon as, etc. Here is an example of explanation text titled Rain. The first paragraph is called General Statement, which stating or introducing the rain is the main topic. The second paragraph is called Explanation 1, which gives the sequence explanation of how the rain is formed. The third paragraph is called Explanation 2, which gives further explanation or information about the rain. There is no concluding statement in this text because, as already explained earlier, this structure is optional. You can also notice some language features that are being used in this text. The text is focused on rain, which is a generic non-human participant. Most of the sentences in this text are using simple present tense. It can be concluded as these sentences are using verb 1 and also using simple present tense of to be, such as is, am, and are. For example, it provides suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems. Passive voice pattern is also used in this text. It can be concluded as some sentences are using the passive voice formula, which is subject plus verb 3 plus object. For example, it is also used as hydroelectric power plants and crop irrigation. The text also using action verb. For examples are grow, fall, reach, and evaporate. Technical term is also found in this text. For example, is liquid droplets. Thank you for your time. Pardon me for any mispronunciation and misinformation in this video. I hope you're having a good day and see you next time.